Hey everyone, want to monitor the health and temperature of your hard drive, or SSD? CrystalDiskInfo is a free and lightweight tool that lets you check your storage device's smart status, temperature, firmware version, and other important information. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to install CrystalDiskInfo on Windows step by step. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official CrystalDiskInfo website. Download the latest stable version that matches your system. You can choose either the installer version or the portable version. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file and double-click it. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes to allow the installation to continue. Follow the installation wizard by accepting the license agreement, choosing an installation location if needed, and clicking Install. The installation usually takes only a few seconds. After the installation finishes, click Finish to launch CrystalDiskInfo. The program will automatically detect your connected storage devices and display their current health information. Take a moment to review your drive's health status, temperature, firmware version, interface type, and smart attributes. This information can help you identify potential drive problems before they lead to data loss. You can also customize notification options, temperature units, startup behavior, and refresh intervals from the program settings. These options let you monitor your storage devices more conveniently, and that's how to install CrystalDiskInfo. It's a simple but powerful utility that helps you monitor the health of your SSDs and hard drives, allowing you to detect potential problems early. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.